Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. On the HBAR chart, we can see the market is still in consolidation mode after a local top was struck on the 17th of January. We're still looking for higher prices, and the situation is that the market seems to be consolidating below the December high and the January high after a breakout attempt. That breakout was not successful yet, which is not a problem. Look at from where the price started, from down there around 25 cents. It rallied within a few days all the way up to 39 cents. And surely, in these situations, a pullback is likely, especially when key breakout points are being tested. The good news is, though, the pullback seems to be corrective in nature, which means we are overall looking for higher prices because the pullback is overlapping, slow, it's coming down step by step. So it emphasizes the probabilities for higher prices overall. I'd say at least one more high, possibly targeting 48 cents, maybe even 64. I'd find that ideal, actually. But the next one is 48, okay, which is also from the current price, round about 45%. Above that, we've got like 100% move all the way up to 64 cents. Yeah. Now, important is to understand that down there, and I can adjust this price channel a little bit. The price is still here in some kind of a correction, in a corrective price channel. There was no sustained breakout from this price channel yet. Pullback seems to be following the white count, or at least a wider ABC structure. Again, whether that's a wave 4 or a wave B, we have to see. It depends on how deep the pullback is. The wave 4 in yellow shouldn't really go below the 61.8 retracement at 29.7 cents, which is also, by the way, next support. Okay, there's the 31.3 cent level above. But the B wave could easily go a little bit lower, possibly down to around about 27.5 cents, which is the 78.6 retracement there. And both levels are clearly relevant. Yeah, the 61.8 retracement and the 78.6 retracement. Below the 27.5 cent level, I have to say the breakout attempt is likely a failure, likely failed. I will give it that much space because technically speaking, this could be a B wave, and B waves can be deep in their pullbacks. But ideally don't break and sustain below the 78.6 retracement. I mean, then we are back to the lower support area. This is like upper micro support, which is relevant just for this local pullback after the price spent like nearly a month in this sideways consolidation. Well, which actually started already here. It was more than a month then, which already started here around the 10th of December. So favored is one more high, at least in the direction of 48 to 65 cents. Whether it's going to be 48 or 65, we have to observe the reaction when we get there. Both are anyway in the same direction, both targets. And the only thing is, what I want to add is if you look at the structure of that pullback, it does really look choppy, messy, overlapping. It's not impulsive to the downside. Current expectation is that an A wave bottomed here on Sunday. The B wave bounce already occurred into the Monday highs, where the price topped locally around 37.5 cents, and a C wave down could be unfolding right now. And do we need all 5 waves in the C wave? Not necessarily. It could also be a WXY structure. But for now, I think we are in a support area from where the price could attempt an upside reversal. There is no clear bottoming structure here. So it just means that short term, the near-term pressure seems to be down. And I would pay attention to possible breakout attempts from the channel, as well as a breakout above that last swing high around 37.3 cents. That's the update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.